Still haven't heard of Atomy Mobile? Easy to see, easy to use, easy to download. The Atomy Mobile is renewed. Simple home screen, all information at a glance. You can go directly by touching the bottom menu. Easy shopping at Atomy Mobile. Choose the category and select the items you want. You have access to all Atomy products anytime, anywhere. You can also use sharing functions. If you wish to see more details of products, zoom in by pinching 2 fingers. Let's take a look at My Office. Cumulative PV, seminar schedule, sales, and commissions can be checked easily. And you can manage your group members with the new Lineage checking system. Easily unfold the